Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome content. Today, we're diving into some of the most important tips for learning English effectively. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to polish your skills, these tips will help you on your journey. So let's get started. Tip 1: Immersion. Tip number 1: Immersion. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Watch English movies, listen to English music, and read English books. The more you're exposed to the language, the more natural it will feel. Try to think in English and even talk to yourself in English when you're alone. It's all about creating an English-speaking environment around you. For example, start by watching your favorite movies or TV shows with English subtitles. This way, you can hear how words are pronounced and see how they're written at the same time. Tip number 2: Practice speaking as much as you can. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's part of the learning process. Find a language partner, join a conversation group, or even use language exchange apps to practice speaking with native speakers. Speaking regularly will build your confidence and improve your fluency. Remember, the goal is communication, not perfection. Tip number 3: Expand your vocabulary. Learning new words is crucial, but it's important to do it in context. Instead of just memorizing word lists, try to learn new words by seeing them used in sentences or stories. Use flashcards, apps like Anki, or even keep a vocabulary journal. Write down new words you encounter and review them regularly. Try to use these new words in your conversations and writing. Tip number 4: Master the basics of grammar. Understanding the fundamental rules of grammar will help you construct sentences correctly and understand what you're reading or hearing. Don't get too bogged down by complex rules at first. Focus on the basics like verb tenses, prepositions, and sentence structure. Practice by writing short essays or diary entries and get feedback if possible. Tip number 5: Set realistic goals. Learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. Set achievable goals, like learning a certain number of new words each week or practicing speaking for 15 minutes a day.
Track your progress and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. This will keep you motivated and help you stay on track. Tip number 6: Be consistent. Consistency is key when learning a language. It's better to practice a little bit every day than to cram for hours once a week. Make English a part of your daily routine, even if it's just listening to a podcast during your commute or writing a quick journal entry before bed. Every little bit helps. Tip number 7: Enjoy the process. Learning a new language should be fun and exciting. Find topics that interest you and explore them in English. Whether it's cooking, sports, or travel, use English to learn more about what you love. Remember, the more you enjoy the process, the more motivated you'll be to keep going.
And there you have it. 7 important tips to help you learn English effectively. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below with your favorite tip or any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!